Buddy, it's Kim. I wanted to do another toothpaste hack with this dirty sink. It's not horrible, but I've been having a hard time getting it really clean. So I thought I would try the toothpaste again and see if we can't get it a little bit shinier than what it is here. So I'm not going to use all this toothpaste, but just going to put some here, and then I'm going to use my steel wool once again to help see if we can shine it up a little bit. So let's put a little bit of water on it just so it'll work. I want to see if my toothpaste will make this somewhat shiny. There's areas here that are rusted a little bit. When I bought this house 5 years ago, our intention is to someday remodel it, but right now, until I have a larger income or get into my retirement fund, I'm not quite old enough yet. I got another 8 months or so before I don't have to pay a bunch of penalties, and I'm too stubborn to pay penalties, so I just thought we'd give this a try. See if I can turn it into something a little bit nicer looking than what it is. You know, just scrubbing regular, it kind of gets the stuff off, but it leaves it dull, not shiny. So I'm hoping the toothpaste might make it shinier for us. And I wanted to do it, I'm going to pull up my sleeve. Hang on. I'm going to try to get my sleeve up out of the way without touching it with my grungy hands. Thought we'd do this together just to see if this toothpaste is going to make a difference or not, like it did on the crock pot and the stove. Yeah, Linda was teasing me that once you get started, you just want to keep looking for things to shine up, and yeah, she's right. I did take a little break. For those that don't know, I have rheumatoid arthritis, and it can be a little hard on my hands. But I let them rest for a day before I did this. I'm going to do a little bit on this counter edge here. It's kind of like a rusty spot there. Thought I'd see if I can get it off. On this dispenser thing that I never use. So let's take a look here together and see what we get, huh? Alright, just about. I'll do the edges later. Again, this is actually broken here around the edges of this, so obviously that ain't going to come clean because that's chipped off, but alright, let's take a look. Rag and help wipe it down. Let's see how it looks here. I think it is doing a pretty darn good job again. Now, one of the reasons I'm such a fan of things like toothpaste is I don't like to use a lot of harsh chemicals. I don't have many at all in the house. I'm very sensitive to smells. I have a lot of bizarre allergies, and the fake perfumes and stuff can really cause me some problems. So I try not to use heavy chemicals like oven cleaners and such because they're just not good for my health. So let's give this a little wipe down. One last look here. And I think I have another decent toothpaste hack to share with you. I'm going to show you the two sides. I like this side that the toothpaste came really shiny, I think. I didn't even use a whole lot. Let's rinse that out. Steel wool works really well. You don't have to get the kind with the chemical in it. This is just plain steel wool. I mean, it's up to you if you like to use that stuff with the chemicals in it. I gave you my reasons for not liking it. But there we go. I think we have another pretty good toothpaste hack there. What do you think? Nice and shiny. This is a side without toothpaste. I think it's a little bit duller. This side seems shinier to me compared together. I mean, this one's pretty shiny, but this one has, like, maybe it's, I don't know, has a little bit more sparkle to it. So anyway, see, I just used that to cover up that rusty spot. And there you go, toothpaste to the rescue once again. You saw it in real time here. Have a wonderful day.